Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Let me get you a little bit of box action. Let you guys check these out. Let's drop something out of there by accident. Pardon me, guys. Let me get you a little box action before I wind up breaking something. Sit for a second. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG CNY Scale Cedar and Oil Green. These aka the Jordan 1 Lunar New Year. Or Chinese New Year, I'm sorry. Comes with a little, this is what I dropped, it comes with a little container. A pouch. Comes with a medallion. I hope you guys can make that out. Let me get a little bit closer. Shiny, so I think it's supposed to be a Chinese coin. Let's get this light out and get this sneaker out. There are no extra laces. Try to get this back in here correctly. The shoe's not bad. The materials on the shoe seem pretty good. It has some scales on it. I'll let you guys see all that when I cut the light on. For Jordan 1 Low, everything seems pretty cool on this shoe. Like I said, the materials seem top quality. You see a little olive green or oil green to the normal, this is a non-tumbled white back up onto the red. It's overall a pretty good shoe in my opinion. A nice little gold on the back. Same color blocking on this side of the shoe. And then the bottom of the shoe is like a milky translucent. Overall, like I said, if you had the option to pick these up, I think you should have. This is one of the best Jordan 1s I've seen so far, especially this year. It's probably one of my favorites of this year and last year. Let you guys see that bottom. I said, then when you come up to the shoe, it's kind of dragon scale. I hope you guys can make that out. Like I said, it's Year of the Dragon. Inside is the same, the design of the coin that you get inside the bag. White toe box. Like I said, all dragon scale. This shoe is just outstanding. And you get hits of the dragon scale going all around the side. It's like a dragon snake skin. So when you wear this, the shoe is just absolutely outstanding. And this is like a satin. You guys see that the Nike swoosh is like a satin. It's not leather, as most Jordan 1 lows or what Jordan 1 periods are is usually leather. And then the Wings logo in the back of the shoe is just outstanding, sitting in that gold with that snake skin. This shoe is just an outstanding shoe. You're a low Jordan 1 head. I can't understand why you wouldn't have went for these. The tongue is like an off-white as well. More of that Chinese New Year's color. You guys look at what the shoe's going to look like when the shoe is on your foot. Did you guys go out for these shoes? Did you try to get them? Are you going to get a pair? Because I sold a bunch of these on StockX. So I know it's a popular shoe. Are you guys trying to get a pair? Are you hoping they do a restock on these? Did you get any of the other versions? Alright guys, you know what to do. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe on the channel so you don't miss out. Try to get the channel growing, so everybody that does like and subscribe, it really does help me out. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. And above all else, stay safe and have a nice day.